Simple booking makes your business stand out and saves your time. Clients find it easy to pick a time that works. You look professional without extra effort. Your day feels smoother and work gets done faster. If you're a freelancer or maybe a small business owner, agency lead, you've probably spent hours sorting out meeting times, had to deal with double booking. Not to mention that clients get annoyed when booking is a hassle. That's where FluentBooking steps in. This great WordPress plugin simplifies everything. It has handy features like Google Calendar Sync and payment options. Guarantees a booking experience that your clients will love for sure. In this video, I will walk you through every step of the way for setting up FluentBooking. You'll get a stress-free workflow. But why is FluentBooking a must-have for you? It transforms scheduling into a smooth, stress-free experience that feels personal and professional. Clients can book appointments anytime, anywhere, through a branded booking page. No back and forth required. The two-way calendar sync with Google, Apple, or Outlook ensures clients only see your real-time availability, preventing overlaps. For instance, a client in, suppose, Dubai, booking with a coach in New York gets the correct time slot thanks to automatic time zone conversion. Automated email reminders reduce no-shows. Beyond basics, FluentBooking offers group bookings, payment collection via Stripe or PayPal. It also offers out-of-the-box integrations with tools like Fluent CRM, Fluent Forms, etc. Your clients get convenience, clarity, and a premium experience. Let's get started with the setup, covering every detail to create a client-friendly scheduling system with FluentBooking. First, install the plugin. Since I need pro features like calendar sync and payments, I will go ahead and install both the free and pro versions for the full experience. In the WordPress dashboard, let's head to the plugins, add new, and I'll type in FluentBooking. There it is. Let's install and activate the free version. Now, I'll go back to add new plugin, but this time, upload the FluentBooking Pro plugin file. Install and activate it. Now both versions are ready, giving me access to Pro's advanced tools. Let's head to FluentBooking. Okay, here I can see options like calendars, bookings, availability, and settings, plus a getting started page for first-timers. Let's create my first booking event to see FluentBooking Pro in action. I'll start by selecting the event type. Let's go with a one-on-one 30-minute marketing consultation. Give it a clear name. And add a short description. Okay, next, set the duration. 30 minutes works for me. Now, I need to choose the meeting location. FluentBooking Pro supports popular platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, in-person meetings, phone calls, or custom links. Since I want Google Meet, I'll go with that. A message will pop up saying I need to connect it. We'll do it later in the host settings, so don't worry. I can select multiple locations if needed, giving clients flexibility. For now, let's just stick with Google Meet and choose the time zone to ensure accurate scheduling worldwide. Okay. Next, I need to set my availability. In the Availability tab, the workdays are selected by default. It's set as a fixed time like 9 to 5, typical office hour. Now, I can set all the slots, any slots, manually by adding multiple times with this. But FluentBooking offers a smart solution for this. We'll see it in action later. For now, I'm good to go with the current settings. So I'll just continue to the next step. I'm still on the event setup, but it's much more detailed. As you can see, we have so many things over here now. Okay, so let's explore the event details section for more control. Now, here's a powerful pro feature that lets me offer multiple durations for clients to choose from. For example, some clients might need a quick 15-minute chat, while others want a full 30-minute. Enable this option and add durations like 15, 30, or 45 minutes so clients pick what suits them. This prevents overcharging for short meetings, say billing 30 minutes for a 5-minute issue. Yikes. So for today's example, we'll stick with a fixed 30-minute duration, but the flexibility is there when you need it. In the availability section, as you can see, I can set how far into the future clients can book. I can choose a fixed range like 90 days or a custom date range to align with my planning. I'll avoid the indefinite option as it's not standard practice and can lead to scheduling chaos. Let's go with a 60-day range to keep things manageable. I already set my availability, but if I need to, I can override my availability for specific days. These options give me complete control, ensuring clients book within my preferred timeline. Next, let's head to the Limits tab. Here, I can add buffer times before and after meetings, say 5 or 10 minutes to set intervals between time slots. What this will do is add a buffer time and close my next available slots. I can even limit the booking frequency and booking duration. With this, I can log the time zone. This is quite handy when it comes to in-person meetings. Beneath that, I can configure what information to collect from clients during booking. By default, FluentBooking Pro asks for a name, email, and a description of the meeting purpose so that I can stay prepared in advance. FluentBooking offers the option to edit labels or placeholders as well. These fields are required by default, which is perfect for gathering essential info, so I'll keep them as is. Now, I need to collect more information. I can easily take more fields with this. For now, the default fields are enough, but this flexibility lets you tailor the form to your needs. Now, let's set up notifications to keep the organizer, which is me, and the attendee in the loop. FluentBooking Pro's Email Notification tab offers robust options. By default, it sends emails to attendees and organizers for booking confirmations, cancellations, rescheduling, approval requests, and even declines. I can also enable meeting reminders, say 24 hours before, to reduce no-shows. Customize the email subject and body with shortcodes, like adding attendee name shortcode or meeting time shortcode for a personal touch. These notifications ensure clients stay informed and engaged, boosting reliability. Moving to the Advanced Options tab. Okay, here I can customize the booking title with shortcodes for personalization, like including the event name or client's name. If left blank, it defaults to the event title that I have set in the beginning. It works for me, so I'll stick with that. Next, I can customize the submit button text to something engaging, like book my consultation now, instead of schedule meeting. Okay, I can also redirect clients to a custom URL after booking, like maybe a thank you page. Toggle off manual confirmation means the booking will be confirmed automatically and trigger integrations instantly. It's really handy when it comes to efficiency. Another pro feature lets clients Book multiple time slots in one transaction. It's ideal for recurring sessions. I can also disable cancellations or rescheduling if needed, ensuring control over my schedule. Now, finally, let's customize the landing page slug to match my brand. This saves me a lot of time because I don't need to create a WordPress page manually, as FluentBooking Pro generates the landing page automatically. I'll show that in a moment. Since I'm offering a premium service, I need to charge my attendees for my schedule. Let's start by enabling the payment option. Then, the default option is the native payment method. If I had WooCommerce installed, I could use WooCommerce to take payments instead of this. It is great, by the way, because I can take payment without any extra hassle. Now, to receive the payment, FluentBooking offers a couple of options for that. As I have a Stripe account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up Stripe. It's simple. Clicking this will take me directly to Stripe setup page. Okay, as you can see, I'm here. Let's enable Stripe payment for booking and customize the payment label, like consultation fee. I'm going to choose test mode for now, which I can switch to live later. And the last thing I need to do is connect my Stripe account. Just need to hit this, and it will take me to the Stripe dashboard. When I need to take real payments, I will need to log into my account and add all the details. As I'm on test mode, I can just skip this form. Okay, back in the Payments tab of the event. Now, I have to add a booking item like 30-minute consultation for, suppose, $50. You can add multiple items for varied services, but one is enough for me. Save the settings and done. Now, my clients will pay securely during booking, reducing no-shows. The next two tabs, as you can see, are all about webhooks and integration. FluentBooking Pro offers 25 plus integrations to supercharge workflow. Pair it with Fluent CRM to add booked clients to email lists for automated follow-ups like a welcome sequence or post-meeting offers. Integrate with Fluent Forms to collect detailed pre-appointment data, such as project goals or preferences. Webhooks connect to tools like Zapier, letting me automate tasks outside WordPress, like updating a CRM or sending data to Slack. I can also integrate with Fluent Support to turn bookings into support tickets for follow-ups. For now, we'll skip these, but they're powerful for scaling your client management. So before going live, let's finalize two critical Pro features: the landing page and the Google Meet setup. I can set up both of them from the host settings. So let's go ahead and take care of those. To enable the landing page, all I need to do is take this and select which booking form to show. I'll go with all the active booking forms. This will make the event live without going any extra mile. Now, set up Google Meet. In the remote calendars, select Google Meet and click to connect. This will redirect me to the Google's login page. I need to choose my account. Hit continue and grant access to view and edit all calendars. This lets FluentBooking Pro sync bookings and check for conflicts, preventing double bookings. All that's left is to select the calendar. Now, to prevent the chaos of double booking, I need to select this. The settings will be updated automatically. FluentBooking offers unlimited hosts. This means I can add as many hosts as I want and need. What my team members have to do is follow the same process and add their Google Calendar here. Okay, with all these settings in place, let's zoom out and see the big picture. FluentBooking Pro isn't just a scheduling tool, it's a client experience powerhouse. Clients get 24/7 booking access, real-time availability, automated reminders, and a branded interface that builds trust. You get a system that eliminates double bookings, reduces no-shows, and frees up time to focus on delivering value. Pro's advanced features like group bookings, payments, calendar sync, and integrations scale with your business, whether you're a solo consultant or a growing agency. The analytics dashboard tracks booking trends, helping you optimize availability. Compared to tools like Calendly, FluentBooking Pro's WordPress integration and cost effectiveness makes it a no-brainer. Ready to transform your scheduling? Head to fluentbooking.com and get fluent.